Where's your crypto actually stored? Is it on your phone? In your Coinbase or Binance account? Inside a wallet app? Most beginners get this answer wrong. And the answer explains why billions of dollars in crypto have been lost. You've heard the horror stories. One day, a massive crypto exchange is on top of the world. The next, it's gone, collapsed, bankrupt. And the people who trusted it with their money, they lose everything overnight. We're not just talking about pocket change. We're talking about catastrophic events like the FTX collapse, which vaporized billions in customer funds, or the infamous Mt. Gox disaster, where hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin vanished. And this isn't ancient history. In 2024 alone, hackers stole over $2.2 billion from crypto platforms. So let me ask you a simple question. Would you be okay with losing every dollar you've invested in crypto? Waking up one morning to find your entire portfolio wiped out with absolutely no one to call and no way to get it back. For most of us, that's a complete nightmare. Yet millions of people are still leaving their crypto in the exact places where these disasters keep happening. But what if I told you there's a simple method the pros use to make sure that can never happen to them? A method that puts you in complete, total control, ensuring you are the only one who can ever access your crypto. This isn't some complex technical secret. It's something you can do right now to secure your wealth and finally get a good night's sleep. Stay tuned, because I'm about to break down exactly what cold storage is, why you desperately need it, and how to set it up. No confusing jargon, just a simple, beginner-proof guide to protecting your investment. All right, first we need to clear up the single biggest misunderstanding in all of crypto. When you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on an exchange, where is it? If you're like most people, you'd probably point to your phone and say, right there, in my exchange account. But that's not quite right. Here's the truth. Your crypto doesn't live in an exchange account. It doesn't live on your phone, and it definitely doesn't live in a software wallet app. Your crypto, all of it, only ever exists as a record on one thing, the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a giant, indestructible public notebook that's copied across thousands of computers worldwide. When you own Bitcoin, what you really own is just an entry in that global ledger that says a specific amount belongs to you. That's it. It's a line item in a digital book. So if the crypto is on the blockchain, what's the wallet you see on your screen? Here's where things get interesting. Your wallet, whether on an exchange or an app, is really just a keychain. Its only job is to hold the special keys that give you the power to access and control your funds on that blockchain ledger. This is the absolute core of how it all works. Your assets are on the blockchain, and your keys control those assets. And this brings us to the scary reality of using a crypto exchange as your bank. When you leave your crypto on an exchange, you are not holding your own keys. The exchange is. They are the custodian. And that leads to the most important saying in this entire industry: not your keys, not your crypto. It means if you don't have exclusive control of those keys, you don't truly own your assets. You just have an IOU from a company that you hope will give you your money back when you ask for it. So we've established that keys are everything, but what exactly are they? Every crypto wallet comes with two types of keys, a public key and a private key. Understanding the difference is critical, and thankfully, it's pretty simple. Imagine your crypto is stored in a high security mailbox. Your public key is like your mailing address combined with the mail slot. You can share it with anyone in the world. In fact, you have to share it for people to send you crypto. It's totally safe to post on a website or give to a friend. Just like anyone can put letters into your mailbox, anyone can send crypto to your public address. No one can steal anything just by knowing it. Now, your private key, that's a different story. The private key is the only thing that can unlock the mailbox and take things out. It's the master key, the secret password, the one thing that gives you power over your funds. This key is a long, complex string of characters that proves to the blockchain that you, and only you, have the right to move the crypto at your address. If anyone else gets their hands on your private key, they have complete and irreversible control of your crypto. They can drain your account in seconds. And there's no customer service line to call, no bank to reverse the transaction. It's just gone forever. This is why you must never, ever share your private key with anyone for any reason. And this is the risk of an exchange. When you leave crypto there, you are trusting them with your private key. You're handing them the key to your mailbox. Sure, it's convenient for trading, but you are completely exposed to their risks. They could get hacked, go bankrupt, or just freeze your account. The history of crypto is a graveyard of failed exchanges that took their users' money down with them. So leaving crypto on an exchange is like leaving your savings in someone else's unlocked car. Not a good idea. The alternative is moving your assets to a wallet where you control the private keys. These are called non-custodial wallets. But even here, there's one more critical distinction you need to understand. The difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet. A hot wallet is any crypto wallet that is connected to the internet. This includes software wallets on your phone or computer, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and browser extension wallets. They're hot because they are always online. The good, they are very convenient for daily use. If you want to trade on a decentralized exchange or buy an NFT, a hot wallet is perfect. Think of it as the cash you'd carry in your pocket for spending. The bad, because they're always online, they are constantly exposed to online threats. Hackers, malware, and phishing scams are all designed to trick you into signing a transaction that drains your funds. This brings us to the hero of our story, cold storage. A cold wallet is a wallet that stores your private keys completely offline. The keys are created on a device that is not connected to the internet, and they never touch the web. It's the digital equivalent of taking your most valuable assets, locking them in a steel vault, and burying it. There's no remote access, no digital door for a hacker to knock on. The good. This is the highest level of security you can get against online attacks. A hacker on the other side of the world can't steal keys that aren't connected to their network. It's the gold standard for securing large amounts of crypto and for long-term holding. The bad. It's a little less convenient for instant transactions. You have to physically get your device to approve a payment. But when we're talking about protecting your life savings, that extra bit of friction is a feature, not a bug. The most common and user-friendly form of cold storage is a hardware wallet. So what exactly is a hardware wallet? Imagine a small, simple device that looks like a USB stick or a sleek little key fob. That's a hardware wallet. Two of the biggest and most respected names in the space are Ledger and Trezor. These devices usually cost between $50 and $200, and for most people, they're one of the smartest security investments you can make in crypto. Here's the magic of how they work. Inside every hardware wallet is a special, highly secure chip designed for one job, protecting secrets. When you set it up, this chip generates your private keys completely offline. Those keys are then stored inside that secure chip and are designed to never leave the device. When you want to send crypto, the process is both simple and brilliant. You connect the hardware wallet to your computer or phone. Your computer prepares the transaction details, like the amount and the destination, and sends it to the hardware wallet for approval. The transaction is signed inside the secure chip using your private key. The device then sends back only the signed authorization, not the key itself. And here's the best part. To finalize everything, you have to physically press a button on the device. This physical confirmation step is the ultimate defense. It means that even if your computer is riddled with viruses, a hacker is powerless because they can't reach through your screen and press that button for you. The keys never leave the device, making you immune to online hacks. This is the ultimate in crypto security. You get the convenience of managing your portfolio on an app, but with the absolute peace of mind that your keys are always offline and untouchable. Now there is one more absolutely critical piece of this puzzle. When you first set up any non-custodial wallet, hot or cold, it will generate something called a seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase. This is a list of 12 or 24 random words given to you in a specific order. And this next part is, without a doubt, the most important thing you will ever hear about crypto security. This seed phrase is the master backup key to all of your crypto. If someone else gets those 24 words, they don't need your wallet, your PIN, or your computer. Those 24 words are your crypto. If your hardware wallet is lost, stolen, or smashed with a hammer, you don't lose your crypto. Why? Because your crypto lives on the blockchain. All you have to do is get a new hardware wallet, enter your 12 or 24 word seed phrase, and you will instantly recover full access to all your assets. But this raises an important question. What if someone else finds your seed phrase? If anyone gets a copy of it, they can steal all of your crypto without needing your hardware wallet or your PIN. They can just restore your wallet on their own device and drain it completely. This brings us to the unbreakable rules of seed phrase security. Never store it digitally. Do not take a photo of it. Don't save it in a text file, email it to yourself, or put it in a cloud drive or password manager. Any digital copy is a target for hackers. Write it down on something physical. Use the paper or cardboard cards that come with your wallet. For maximum long-term security, many experts engrave their seed phrase onto a metal plate to protect it from fire or flood damage. Store it somewhere safe and secret. A fireproof safe at home is a great start. For even better security, you might make 2 copies and store them in separate secure locations, like a safe deposit box or a trusted family member's house. Your seed phrase is your financial lifeline. Guard it with your life. Feeling ready to take control? Here's a high-level, no-stress guide to getting started. Step 1. Buy directly from the manufacturer. This is non-negotiable. Only buy your hardware wallet from the official Ledger or Trezor websites. Do not buy from Amazon, eBay, or any other third party. Why? Because scammers have been known to sell compromised devices that are pre-programmed to steal your funds. Step 2. Initialize the device. When your wallet arrives, plug it into your computer and follow the on-screen instructions from the official app, like Ledger Live or Trezor Suite. The device will ask you to set up as a new device. This is when its secure chip will generate your brand new 100% offline private keys and your 24-word seed phrase. You'll also set a PIN code to unlock the device. Step 3. Secure your seed phrase. The device will now show you your seed phrase, one word at a time. Write each word down carefully in the correct order on the recovery card they provide. Double and triple check it. This is the most important step. Once you've written it down, store it somewhere safe and offline, like we just discussed. The device will then test you on a few of the words to make sure you got it right. Step 4. Send a small test amount. Now you're ready. In the app, go to Receive, and it will generate your first public address. The app will make you verify this address on your hardware wallet screen to ensure your computer hasn't been hacked. Once you confirm, copy that address. Then, go to the exchange where your crypto is, find the Withdraw button, and paste in your new hardware wallet address. Start with a tiny test amount, like $20. Wait for it to show up in your account. Once you see it has arrived safely, you can send the rest with confidence. And that's it. Your crypto is now in cold storage. It's safe, it's secure, it belongs entirely to you. Now that you understand the why and the how, the next step is to actually get a hardware wallet. If you're ready to make that move, I've put links to the official Ledger and Trezor stores in the description below. They are affiliate links, so if you make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's a great way to support the channel and, more importantly, to finally secure your assets. And if you want more simple, no hype explanations like this, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is here for. At the end of the day, the core message is simple. Storing your crypto on an exchange is a gamble you just don't need to take. The mantra, not your keys, not your crypto, isn't just a catchy phrase. It's the fundamental law of digital ownership. The solution is cold storage, and hardware wallets from companies like Ledger and Trezor make it incredibly easy and secure for anyone. By generating and storing your private keys completely offline, you build a fortress around your assets, shielding them from the disasters of exchange collapses, hacks, and theft. You go from being a hopeful creditor of a faceless company to being the sovereign owner of your digital wealth. Taking control of your own security is the most empowering step in anyone's crypto journey. It's the difference between hoping for the best and ensuring it. You now have the knowledge the experts use. The only thing left to do is act on it. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below. Have you made the switch to cold storage, or is something holding you back? Let's talk about it. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.